Ayubowan everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe video is for an Indian sweet called Kesari. It's very easy to make and I promise you everyone at home will love it. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need around 250 grams of roasted semolina. You call it rulang in Sinhala. Make sure you roast the semolina until you get a strong aroma or until you see that the color of the semolina slightly turns brown, but make sure you don't burn it. Keep the roasted semolina aside and using a new pot, heat around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and add 500 ml of full cream milk and let it boil slightly, and then move on to adding around 250 grams of sugar and mix until everything is well combined and let it boil till the sugar dissolves. Next add 2 teaspoons of rose essence and then you can add some coloring. I chose green and mix well. Once you know the sugar has completely dissolved, you can go ahead and add the roasted semolina. The moment you add the semolina, you need to continuously keep stirring so that it doesn't form any clumps. So don't stop stirring. Continue to keep stirring, and after some time you will notice that the mixture will start to thicken. As you keep stirring, you will notice that the mixture is becoming more dry, and that is what we are looking for. You need to keep stirring, and at the end you will find it very difficult to stir because the mixture will be very tight. Once you achieve this consistency, you can go ahead and transfer the mixture to a flat dish. Once you transfer the mixture into a flat dish, make sure you start working on shaping the mixture as soon as you can, because if you leave it to cool, it will be very hard to shape it. And that's it. Your Indian sweet kesari is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please put them down below on the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, take care and Ayubowan from Sri Lanka.